Want to study football like coaches do? NFL All-22 film is part of NFL Plus Premium plan. And here's how to get it. First, subscribe to NFL Plus Premium on nfl.com/plus or through the NFL app. Once your subscription is active, you want to open the NFL app. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Then tap it open. Make sure to log into your account. Now from the main menu, you want to select games. Pick the matchup you want. From the main menu, select Games, pick the matchup you want, then scroll to Game Replays section. Alongside full and condensed replays, you see All-22 coaches film. Click it to watch from the sideline and end zone angles used by NFL teams. Remember, All-22 is only available after the game ends and it's not live. For best viewing experience, use a tablet or computer screen so you can have every route, block and defensive shift in detail. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.